Hi guys, welcome to Network Guru. In this video I'll show you how to find or add nearby friends on Snapchat. Now let's get started. To find nearby friends on Snapchat, follow this step. Open Snapchat and navigate to the camera screen. You'll see the option to take a photo, but we won't be using that feature. Instead, access the search functionalities at the top of your screen. Next to your profile at the top left, you'll find a magnifying glass icon. Click on it. Enter the location where you want to find nearby friends. For example, type Los Angeles and select the option that matches the location. Once you've chosen the location, select a snap from the you're interested in. Open the snap you want to explore further. In the snap view, click on the three dated icon at the bottom right of your screen. In the Create has enabled the Add function. You will see an option that say Add. Click on it to add the person as a friend. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to find and add nearby friends on Snapchat. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful and enjoyed it, consider subscribing using the link in the description. See you in the next video.